Hi, my name is Rami Dawud.
I'm Emma Christensen.
I'm Arista Kadir, and we're going to be bringing nature indoors.
We are third-year Humber students, and we are participating in the 2015-2016 Indoor Nature Design Challenge. The issue this competition addresses is the disconnection between people and our natural environment.
Most of us can say that we were born between planes of gypsum, concrete, and variations of plastic. So it's easy to never really understand how strange this world that we've created for ourselves is. We spend 90% of our lives between man-made planes, making it easy for our conscious mind to forget that we are part of nature. On a deeper level, we can never forget. Our minds and bodies are wired to react to its sights and sounds. The sight of the sun coloring the trees, the warm scent of fresh cut grass, and the sound of gurgling water are powerful. They evoke a kind of calm that only nature can account for. Spending even little time outdoors has proven to improve mood, memory, immunity, as well as lengthen life.
The solution proposed by Indoor Nature Design is making nature part of the indoor world. For our design, we chose to take on the art gallery, a space we hoped would influence the greatest number and variety of people, especially children.
Children have a natural curiosity and a propensity for nature. By teaching children about nature, its systems, and their value may lead to a lifetime of more conscientious decisions. This is why we decided to structure the natural elements in a way that would make visible the interdependencies within the system.
Each part of the system is made visible to the users. The nitrogen cycle taking place between the fish, the different types of plants, and the microbes in the biochar. Each element encourages interaction and movement, making it a dynamic part of the space.
Upon entering the gallery space, community visitors will be able to view and interact with 3 translucent globes. The first globe contains a freshwater ecosystem of aquatic life, featuring pygmy sunfish and red-striped killifish, which will be the main source of ammonia within the system. The fish are fed by sago pondweed, California worms, and Daphnia, a form of plankton. Nitrosomas bacteria break down ammonia into nitrites. Nitrobacter bacteria then turn nitrites into nitrates. Nitrates are a usable form of nutrients for the aquatic plants. Sago pondweed and Nymphoides aquatica, banana plants in other words, use the nitrates as fuel to grow and release oxygen to support the system's aquatic life. The plants provide shelter for the fish while absorbing noxious chemicals from the tank water.
Within the second stage of the educational system, a centrally located water pump will raise aquatic tank water to the second globe located directly above the aquarium. This sphere will contain a biochar compound which will support California worms in addition to nitrogen and nitrate-fixing bacteria. These organisms will facilitate a nutritious growing bed for organic strawberry plants during the summer months and organic sweet peas in the winter months. These plants are hand-pollinated by gallery staff, transferring pollen from the outer edge of the flower to the center stamen by simply rubbing 2 flowers together. The peas and berries will be available for sampling by visitors, encouraging school children to learn and take interest in agriculture. Forage plants will add volume and color to the planting, producing edible flowers when the strawberries and peas are in their infantile stages. The biochar serves as a water filter by extracting volatile organic compounds. Another nitrogen cycle takes place within the second globe just as it did in the first. After the biochar has cleared away the waste matter, the purified water returns to the aquarium through a tube by gravitational force.
The third part of the educational system is an air purifier which uses a phytofilter not only as an air filter, but as a growing medium for wheatgrass. Interior environments often suffer from poor indoor air quality from VOCs due to off-gassing of materials, finishes, and fixtures. According to Health Canada, poor indoor air quality has led to an increase in respiratory diseases such as asthma, in addition to being a common source of allergies.
The phytofilter, which is eligible for LEED points in indoor air quality best management practices, is a self-sustaining solution which will improve comfort. The filter moderates humidity levels, reduces odors, and contains chemical and biological threats. Another benefit of the phytofilter is that it requires no maintenance for the lifetime of the product, making it cost-effective. Information about the science behind the aforementioned systems will be explained through text, diagrams, and audio recording through touchscreen technology surrounding the base of the filter's supporting structure.
Aside from being an educational demonstration of an enclosed ecosystem, the BioGlobes will facilitate interactive activities within the art gallery. The flexible modular seating, paired with unfolding writing surfaces, allow for an easy transition between a place to rest to a place to sketch or write. This is especially useful to visiting children and artists who may use the natural element as inspirational subject matter. The work surface design is wheelchair accessible and may be used by all people of all ability.
Environmentally conscious design will only become more poignant as the effects of climate change become more evident.
No matter how many walls we put up, nature will always have a real and felt influence on our lives.
So help us bring the outdoor in and influence the next generation of thinkers.